Hey friends, if you wish to fix the unable to contact your DHCP server error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the status of the DHCP client service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the DHCP client service. Right click on it and select restart, and then click on yes, and it will restart the services. For that while the network will be gone, but eventually it will reconnect. Okay, I'll show you. So eventually it will reconnect. The next solution will be to update the network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Now expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and update the drivers and select search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. Okay, and the last solution will be a network reset, which will definitely fix the problem. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings, and then you can select network reset. Click on reset now and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.